Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail for YouTube. It's super simple, free, um, easy. So all you want to do is type in Canva, go in here, go to Canva. I'll put the link in the description for y'all. You don't even need a free trial, honestly. And look, they have all these templates laid out for you. They got everything you need. But for here, we want to go to video, YouTube video, and look at this. There's just hundreds, if not more, honestly. You can do YouTube, and there's a whole list here. You can do YouTube, Facebook, like anything you need. Subscribe already. These are just all just like something like this. You don't even need to take the video. Just make that into something, and that's a really catchy thumbnail. But if you do want to make your own, it is possible. 1080p. Create a design. And you can skip the tour. And yeah, there's a bunch of templates in here. And you can change what colors you want as well. Let's see if I can find some of mine. Yeah. There's this I made. And it's super easy, dude. Like, all you have to do is do... Here, let's add this new page. So I just took this photo I found online, put it on the background. And then just, you can add text anywhere you want. You can also hide things. But yeah, super simple, guys. Super simple. Yeah, so this is a good little website here. Just go to canva.com and it has everything you need to make a thumbnail. You can even make a little subscribe button that goes down here on your screen. And they're super easy to, like, if you have a template and you just make it, it's super easy just to edit it like this one. And you can just change everything around it. And look, I even made my YouTube banner on here as well. And if y'all enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great one.